Hi, fourth graders. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to quickly go over what your assignment is for today in class. So the first thing that you are going to need is you're going to need this blue note-taking sheet that we worked on Tuesday and Wednesday. This is the sheet that talks about the different groups of animals. It talks about some facts, if they're vertebrae, invertebrate, and the examples of them. So this is the first thing you will need. And then the substitute teacher will hand you out your sheet that looks like this. And that sheet is your Create Your Own Animal worksheet. And just like the Create Your Own Plant, for the Create Your Own Animal, you are going to have to come up with an animal of your choice. Now, in class on Tuesday, we had you put little symbols on the top of each of the categories, if you remember doing that. So the animal name, you put a triangle. The facts, there was a square. The vertebrae or invertebrate, there was a star. And you're going to use those symbols and see how they're used in just a moment. So let's take a look at the sheet for just a second. I need you to do the bottom part of this sheet first, and it walks you through step by step. It says the name of my animal is, and you can see there that there is a smiley face. And I created a key for you on the bottom, and the smiley face means your animal name. On your blue sheet, there's no smiley face symbol whatsoever. That means you have to create the name of your animal. Just like the plant we did, it cannot be an animal that has already been found. You create it. You come up with a creative name. You come up with a cool thing about it. Okay? This animal is part of the, and then there's a triangle, if you're following along, group. So you're going to go to the triangle on your blue sheet, and you're going to tell me what group does it belong to. And yes, it does need to be one of these on this page. It is a, then there's a star. So obviously you're going to tell me, is it a vertebrae or is it an invertebrate? If you pick an animal on the front side, it's going to be a vertebrae. If you're going to pick one on the back side, that will be an invertebrate. 4A, if you're watching this, everything is on the front side for you. 4B and 4C, your note-taking guide kind of switched a little bit. There is one other piece on here that you will not find on the note-taking guide. It's the bottom one. It says a very cool animal. It is a very cool animal because, and then there's a circle. That is a cool fact that you have to come up on your own with it. Okay? I don't want it to be found on this blue sheet. I want it to be a fact that you have come up with that makes this animal really, really cool. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to do the bottom part first. When this is filled in, you can work on your picture on the top part. Put a picture of the animal and also the environment it lives in as well. That's another one that you're going to have to fill in. I forgot to mention that. It said it lives in, and I have a hexagon for that shape. It lives in. Tell me the environment it lives in. Does it live in the desert? Does it live in the ocean? Does it live in lakes? Does it live in grassy areas? Okay, that's what it means by environment. So if you see that on your white worksheet, that's what I'm talking about. Otherwise, you need to do the bottom part first. Then you need to color and draw your picture of your animal. Remember, you will be doing a final draft of this. So yes, I want it to look nice, your picture, but your final draft will matter more. When you are done, both of these sheets need to go in your science folder because you will use them for tomorrow. AR books will be taken out at that time. Just a reminder that there are no bathroom or drink breaks during class. I hope you have a really good class, and I'm excited to see your animals when I get back. Thanks, guys.